Good morning. It's 4 a.m. I just woke up and I've got to get ready to go to the airport. Just made it through Rochester security. We're going. Here I go.
Oh yeah, for a flight, like just, but I did this thing where it was like.
Okay guys, it's 12:15 and I landed in Tallahassee.
Yeah, we died.
I'm at Panera and I got the U-Pick 2. This is tomato soup without croutons, and then the Southwest lime ranch salad, something like that. And then I got some of chips because I can't have it. I got a welcome basket from the Enclave. I got a dish towel that says the best things in life aren't things. I got a t-shirt that says enjoy every moment with their stuff on the back. I got some laundry detergent, some dryer sheets, some sunglasses, 2 dog treats, a sponge, some dish soap, some Lysol, and more detergent. And it all came in this cute basket. Here's the door. You walk in the opening, and straight ahead is the living room area. And then you step in and turn to the left, and this is my laundry room. Lots of storage in here. And close that. Come back here, and then in the living room area, I turn left, and there's like a little nook area that I'll probably put my desk in. And then you turn to the right, and that's my kitchen. And then going from the kitchen to the right is my bathroom. And then you turn again and you get my bedroom. And then this door leads to my walk-in closet. And that's the tour. Back to the start. Kevin's hanging a shower curtain. There's boxes everywhere. Here's Mom. Some more boxes. Broken down boxes. Oh, and we're eating Chick-fil-A on the floor.